is Wendy. I hope that you're hanging in there. Today's day 15 of practicing with Pizzicato. And by the way, I'm thinking of the Italian people. I'm here in New York City. Things are, right now as I'm filming, things are tough right here too. So I am definitely at home making these videos for you guys. So today's gonna be fun because we will practice some challenging passages with Pizzicato, because we just want to shake things up, make it fun. I used to do that a lot when I was a kid, actually, especially when there's a hard passage. Okay, do you guys recognize this passage? That's right, it's from Saint-Saëns Concerto. So when you do it like this, you're listening carefully, adjusting your intonation. It also forces you to play slow and listen, right? So there's a lot of benefits to that. Let's find another passage. That's Elgar. Oh, that's actually kind of hard. So that's a good way to practice your pizzicato. But another way is to really pay attention, because there are times when we do need to use a pizzicato, and actually use the fat part of your finger. It doesn't matter if you're going this way or going this way. Going this way, I suggest using the fat part of your thumb so you get more meat and more sound. The more flesh there is, the more sound there is. And you want pizzicato sideways, not this way, not down, but sideways. So practice listening to your pizzicato like that. Yes. Oops. And then this way, pizzicato, but with the flesh of your middle finger is the one I use mostly, because that sounds the best. Actually, that sounds kind of nice. Okay, so I'm doing something really fun right now. Join in. I'm now exchanging videos with all of you. 5 to 10 minutes, send me a video of your playing, and I will send back 5 to 10 minutes, a video made just for you. And I will give you feedback, suggestions, and comments. Look down below to find out how you can do this video exchange with me. Video made just for you. And today's question is, how does it feel like when you use pizzicato today? What have you learned? How does this make you play differently when you do play with the bow? So let me know down below. And then tomorrow we'll be back for another session. And thank you so much. And don't forget to like this video and share with friends. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.